Alright, so we have a good one for everybody. 2020 Subaru Outback Premium, or Premier, whichever way it is. Customer complaint if the horn continues to go off. Okay, alright. Should be a fun one. So a little looking, a little pulling. Yeah, I pulled some stuff out of the way. This wire here goes down to the horns down underneath here. I don't think you guys are going to be able to see them. Too much of a glare, but I got my test light probed into one of them. Tested my relay, tested my fuses, tested for power, so on and so forth. And apparently we have a horn pad that is so touchy, it kept the horns on, melted the wiring off of the horns, and fried both the horns. I'll see if I can get everybody zoomed in. Alright, so I got you zoomed in. I don't know if everybody can see my test light. You'll see the flicker. Just trying to get a good... See my test light popping on and off? Right? Now look at this shit. Watch how touchy this one is. Watch this. Look at this. Light on. Light off. Light on. Light off. I don't know if you can see it through the windshield. I don't think you're going to be able to. But I am... There's even more touchy right here. I'm literally just... I can hit it and make it go off. There's a first for me on that one. But there's a diag for everybody. Yes, so have to look underneath the horn. Oh God, I can even touch the side of the horn and it goes off. Gonna need two horns, a connector, probably gonna get a relay just for the tail of it, just to be safe. And then whatever the contacts are underneath this horn pad, or spiral cable, so on and so forth. But here's another look, like, that's what I'm doing. All right, I'm gonna continue to do that. I barely see the test light there. You see it turn it on? And that's all I'm doing is, look at that. It's the first time for everything. That was definitely not what I was expecting this morning. I'll take it though.